Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome back to the Easy English Everyday channel. We are so happy you are here with us today. Learning English is easy and fun. I'm Olivia.
Hello, Olivia, and a big hello to all our listeners. It's wonderful to be here today.
It is. So, John, how are you today?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. I am awake.
Awake. Well, that is a very good start to the day.
Yes, I had my coffee, so now I am ready. How are you, Olivia?
I am great. I am very happy today. I had such a nice morning.
Oh, that's lovely. A good morning is very important.
It is, and that is actually our topic for today. We are going to talk about our daily life, our routines.
Daily routines. Yes, this is a topic that everyone has. We all have a day.
Yes, we do. We all have things we do every day, in the morning, in the afternoon, and at night.
It sounds very interesting.
Sometimes people think the word routine is a boring word.
Maybe, but I think our routines can be very different and very interesting.
I agree, and it is perfect for English practice. We use simple words to talk about our day.
Exactly. But first, before we talk about our day, we have a small request.
Yes, we do. If you are listening and you like our podcast, please click the like button. Give us a big thumbs up.
Yes, please do. And if you are new here, a big welcome. Please subscribe to the Easy English Everyday channel. It helps us so much.
Thank you. We love our listeners. Okay, John.
Yes, Olivia?
Daily life. Let's start at the very beginning. The morning.
Oh no, the morning.
You do not like the morning, John?
I am not a morning person. Not at all.
Oh, really? I am a morning person. I love the morning.
Wow. For me, the morning is difficult. First, the alarm clock.
The alarm clock. Yes.
I do not like that sound. Beep, beep, beep.
My alarm uses music, soft, gentle music.
That is smart. My alarm is just a very loud noise. I wake up and I think, oh no, is it time already?
And do you get up?
No, I press the snooze button.
The snooze button?
Yes, I want 5 more minutes.
But is it really just 5 minutes?
Maybe, sometimes. 5 minutes, then 5 more minutes.
Oh, John. So when do you really get out of bed?
When I absolutely must. When it is very late, then I jump out of bed very fast. I'm late.
Oh, that is very funny. My morning is very different.
Tell me.
I wake up early, sometimes before the sun comes up.
Wow. Why?
I love the quiet. The house is very quiet, no cars, no noise. It is just me.
And what do you do?
The first thing, the most important thing, is coffee.
Yes, coffee. Me too. I run from my bed to the coffee machine.
How do you like your coffee, John?
I like it strong and black. No milk, no sugar, just pure coffee.
Yes, I like my coffee with a little hot milk. It is very warm and nice.
That sounds good. I drink my coffee and I look at my phone.
Oh no, not the phone.
Yes, I look at the news, my emails.
See, I don't look at my phone. I sit by the window with my coffee. I just sit and think. It is very calm.
Maybe I should try that.
It sounds very nice. Okay, so we have coffee. What about breakfast?
Breakfast is very fast for me because I'm late.
Yes?
Yes, I eat toast, just toast with butter, or maybe a banana. Very simple.
That is very fast. I like to eat a good breakfast. I eat yogurt with fruit, or sometimes I make eggs.
Eggs? Wow. Olivia, you have a lot of time in the morning.
I wake up early.
That's true. Okay, so after breakfast, we get ready for the day.
Yes, I take a shower. I like a very hot shower.
Me too. A hot shower is good for waking up.
And then the difficult part.
What?
choosing my clothes.
Oh, yes.
I look in my closet. I have many clothes, shirts, pants, dresses, and I always think, what?
I have nothing to wear.
Yes, exactly. It is so silly. I have so many clothes.
My system is very easy.
What is your system, John?
I only have blue shirts.
No, really?
Yes, blue shirts, white shirts, gray shirts. Very simple. I just pick one. Done.
John, that is very smart.
It is easy. No thinking in the morning. Thinking is for later.
Okay, so you have your blue shirt, I finally find a dress, and then work.
Yes, time to go to work. How do you go to work? Do you drive?
No, I take the bus.
Ah, the bus. Is it good?
It is okay, but it is very crowded. Many people.
I don't like crowded places.
Me neither. But I can listen to music. I put in my headphones and I listen to music or a podcast.
Oh, a podcast. A good podcast?
Yes, sometimes I listen to Easy English every day.
Good choice. What about you, Olivia?
I drive my car.
Ah, your car. That is nice.
It is nice, but the traffic is not nice.
Oh, yes, the traffic. Many cars.
So many cars, all going very slow. Stop, go, stop, go.
Oh, that is boring.
It is. I listen to music too. Loud music.
Okay, so we're at work. What is your day like, John? Is it busy?
Yes, it is always busy. The first thing I do is get more coffee.
Of course.
I go to my desk, I turn on my computer, and so many emails.
Ah, the emails. I know.
I read emails, I write emails, then I have meetings.
Yes, meetings. Talking.
My day is similar. I talk to people, I help people. I like my job, but yes, many emails.
What about lunch? This is my favorite part of the workday.
Me too. Food.
Do you bring your lunch from home or do you buy lunch?
I usually bring my lunch.
Oh, that is very good. Very organized.
Yes, I make a salad or a sandwich at home in the morning.
Wow, John, you make eggs and a sandwich. You are very organized.
It is easy and it's cheap. Buying lunch every day is expensive.
That is true, but I am not organized.
So you buy lunch.
Yes, I go to a small cafe near my office. I buy a sandwich.
Is it good?
It is very good, and I like to walk there for 10 minutes. It's good to get out of the office.
Yes, that is important, to walk a little. And in the afternoon?
I get very sleepy.
Oh, yes, around 3 p.m.?
Yes, exactly 3 p.m. My eyes get heavy.
Do you drink more coffee?
Sometimes, or I drink green tea.
Green tea is good. I eat a small snack, an apple.
An apple, very healthy. I eat a cookie.
A cookie is good too.
Okay, so 5 p.m. Work is finished.
Yes, the best time.
I go home on the bus again. I'm very tired now. I just look out the window.
I go home in my car. The traffic is bad again.
Oh no.
But I am happy because I am going home.
Yes, home is the best.
What is the first thing you do when you open your door?
Ah, good question. I put down my keys, I put down my bag, and I say hello to my dog.
Oh, you have a dog.
Yes, his name is Max. He is very happy to see me. He jumps, he barks.
Oh, that is so nice.
It is. What about you, John?
I open the door and I say hello to my cat.
You have a cat.
Yes, her name is Bella.
Is Bella happy to see you?
She is a cat. Oh, I see.
She looks at me. She says, Mialo.
What does that mean?
It means, hello, now give me food.
Cats, they are the boss.
Yes, Bella is the boss of my house.
So after you say hello to the pets, what next?
I change my clothes. This is very important. I take off my work clothes, my blue shirt, and I put on comfortable clothes, a t-shirt.
Yes, me too. Comfortable clothes. It feels so good. And then dinner time.
Yes, I am usually hungry.
Do you cook dinner, Olivia? I do. I like cooking. It is very relaxing.
Really, for me, cooking is stressful.
Stressful? Why?
Because I'm a bad cook, John, a very bad cook.
Oh no.
I burn things. I burn the chicken, I burn the rice. One time, I think I burned the water.
John, how do you burn water?
I don't know. I forgot about it. All the water was gone.
Oh my goodness. So what do you eat for dinner?
I cook simple things like pasta with tomato sauce or eggs.
Eggs again?
Eggs are easy. Or I order food.
Ah, like pizza? Yes, I love pizza.
After dinner, I relax and watch funny movies.
Comedy helps reduce stress.
What do you do?
I walk my dog at night. It's peaceful and quiet.
That sounds relaxing.
Then I read a book before bed.
What time do you sleep?
Around 10 p.m., I brush my teeth, wear pajamas, read for 10 minutes, then sleep.
I sleep later, maybe 11:30 p.m. or midnight.
And then you feel tired in the morning.
Yes, it's a cycle. Now, let us start vocabulary practice. Wake up. Snooze button. Get ready. Traffic. Crowded. Lunch break. Snack. Comfortable clothes. Relax. Go to bed. Question for you.
Now we want to hear from you,
Are you a morning person like Olivia?
or an evening person like John.
Write your answer in the comments.
Tell us about your daily routine. Thank you for learning with easy English every day.
Keep practicing. Keep speaking. See you in the next lesson. Bye, everyone.